Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about class templates introduction, part of programming in C++ course. Class templates in C++ allow you to create classes that can work with different data types. A class template is similar to a function template, but it defines a blueprint for a class instead of a function. Here is an example of a simple class template. In this example, the stack class template takes one template parameter, key, which represents the data type of the elements in this stack. The stack class has private data members, data of size 100, and integer top to keep track of the top elements of the stack, and several public member functions to perform stack operations such as push and pop. In the main function, an object of the type stackInt is created, and several push and pop operations are performed on this stack. The compiler generates a separate class for each instantiation of the stack class template with the appropriate data type for T. In this case, int. This allows you to create classes that can work with different data types by specifying the data type as a template parameter. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.